Clean your kitchen sink with baking soda and lemon juice to remove tough stains and grime. Yes, cleaning your kitchen sink with baking soda and lemon juice can be an effective way to remove tough stains and grime. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to scrub away dirt and stains, while the acid in the lemon juice helps to break down and dissolve any built-up grime. Here is one way to clean your kitchen sink with baking soda and lemon juice. Start by mixing a paste of equal parts baking soda and water in a small bowl. Apply the paste to the sink, being sure to cover all of the stained and dirty areas. Let the paste sit on the sink for a few minutes to allow it to work on the stains and grime. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon onto the baking soda paste. Use a scrub brush or an old toothbrush to scrub the sink with the paste and lemon juice. Rinse the sink with warm water to remove all of the paste. Dry the sink with a clean cloth or let it air dry. You can also use this cleaning method for other kitchen appliances, like faucet, pipes, and garbage disposal. Also, for tough stains and grime, you can also let the paste sit for longer or repeat the process. Make sure to use this method carefully with delicate or porous surfaces, or use a less abrasive cleaning method. And also, check the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations for cleaning before using any cleaning method. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.